Today is Tuesday, March 24th. Welcome to this edition of Nevada County News. Our top story today is about personal protective equipment, also known as PPEs. On Saturday, Nevada County Public Health received a shipment of PPE supplies. These PPEs are for healthcare providers and first responders during public health emergencies. At the moment, our local needs are being met. These new supplies will be prioritized by our healthcare providers because there remains a national shortage. Also in today's news, Sierra Nevada Memorial Hospital has drive-through COVID-19 testing sessions on Thursday, March 26th from 3 to 5 p.m. Nevada County residents should first call their primary care doctor. If the doctor agrees that the person needs to be tested, the doctor can fax an order to the hospital. The hospital will then follow up to schedule a drive-through appointment. For providers that have questions about the process, please call 530-274-6220. Additionally, the hospital has made immediate changes to the visitation policy. They have further restricted visitors within the hospital in an effort to keep their staff and patients safe. Please respect these new rules and refrain from visiting the hospital unless absolutely necessary. In other news, our local grocery stores are doing what they can to keep seniors and high-risk populations safe. Many have set up specific shopping days and times. For more information, please visit the 211 website or contact the stores directly. In addition to special hours, our grocery stores are going the extra mile for our seniors and the at-risk population. Raley's is now offering curbside pickup for prescriptions for their pharmacy locations, as well as discounted senior essential bags that offer a mix of fresh and pantry supplies. These bags can be picked up daily, curbside, or in the store. Please contact them directly for details. As I mentioned earlier, 211 is a great source of information. They are working hard to ensure Nevada County residents have the most up-to-date information and resources available. They are in close communication with Nevada County Public Health Department and continue to reach out to their partners about service changes as the situation develops. They have information regarding clinics, testing, food assistance programs, transportation, financial assistance, and more. There are 3 ways to get information. Subscribe to text updates and receive a text message whenever there is new verified local information. Just text NC Corona, that's NCCORONA, to 898-211. You can also visit their website, or you can call them. Simply dial 211 or 1-833-DIAL-211 to connect to a local call specialist. Now let's hear from our Board of Supervisors Chair, Heidi Hall.
What is going on right now at the Root Center? What are staff and the electeds, what are you doing?
County staff has been preparing for the coronavirus since we first heard about it in January, and our public health staff have been preparing for something like this for years. We have been working on a number of items, making sure that we continue essential services for those folks who need it in the community. We have a COOP plan, so we're prepared for emergencies. We are working to pull together information for our small businesses who we know are hurting during this time. And we're doing a lot to get communication out, the right facts out, so you know what to do in the public. We're asking people to stay at home, shelter in place, and we'll talk more about what that's about.
How is Nevada County responding to the governor's shelter-in-place order?
So the county has been preparing its own shelter-in-place order. At this time, we've pivoted to respond to the governor's shelter-in-place order. We know that there are a number of questions out there about what exactly are essential services that are going to remain open. And there is a fact sheet out there. Check our website, mynevadacounty.com/coronavirus. You can also find this on social media, and our media outlets will be pushing this out as well. We're going to be listing which services are essential. They include grocery stores, gas stations, trades and construction services are going to continue to work where they can. And we want to make sure that you do know what has to happen. Where the essential services are open and you need to do your grocery shopping, we ask you to do so carefully. Maintain 6 feet of distance among yourselves. Don't go out unless necessary. And please pay attention to the directives that we are putting out. We're asking people to work to flatten the curve so that our hospitals do not become overwhelmed with critical cases that require hospitalization. That means sheltering in place. It means no socializing, no going out to dinner, no going out to bars, no meeting with people in public places. You can go walk your dog, you can take walks in the park, and we encourage you to stay connected to people via Facebook, via your telephone, but to stay away from mingling with the public. We also want to make sure that you know where to get your information and that you're getting the facts. So keep in touch with us through the website, through our local media, KVMR, KNCO, UBANet, and the Union, and get your information there. If you have questions, we want you to call 211. We are collecting your questions and making sure that we'll have frequently asked questions out for people to refer to, and we can answer your questions directly there as well.
So personally, for you, Heidi, what are you doing?
So I'm doing the same thing that we're asking everyone else to do. Wash your hands all the time. Wash your hands the minute you come back into your house after you've been out. Use bleach to keep things clean. Clean your home once a day. Please be aware that there are elders and folks who are vulnerable in our community who might need some help. We're going to be putting together a place where you can volunteer to help those people, but in the meantime, we are asking each person to take care of your own and take care of your neighbors. We are providing essential services still through the county. If you need food stamps, if you need mental health services, if you need a construction permit, all of those services are open, but not directly via persons in the building. So be sure to call ahead of time to see where you can get the things that you need. I want to also just remind you that we're doing this for our community. We are doing this because we're all in this together. We need to stay at home and shelter in place to protect both ourselves and our parents and our children and our neighbors and all of the community members. The more we can do this, the more we can stay sheltered in place while we're asked to, the better off we as a community will be, and the better our hospitals will be able to address the needs of the critically ill. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Nevada County News. Remember everyone, stay safe, take care of each other, and tune in tomorrow.